X495. This seat's done. Let's swap it out. Got the Purdy one. I'll leave a link in the description. E-Parts on Amazon. They also made a review of their own product, which was kind of funny on YouTube. So we're going to do a swap right now. They say the brackets will fit, so we'll test it out. We got some to pull. Hopefully they're not too rusty. Alright, got it off. It's like a Star Torx. I used a T40. Fitting there pretty good. Tried to Allen, but then I got a better look because it's rusty. Got the, I don't know, stiffener bar load spreader off. That one wouldn't come off, so I had to cut it off. And then that was on like that. So I'm going to have to get some new bolts because these are not good and transfer it to the new seat. Flip this bad boy over to see what size holes we got and check that out. Got bolts, don't need them. Got lots of patterns here. That stiffener bar is not going to fit. I don't know if it's worth putting a straight piece across or not, but as advertised, lines up for the X series. 495, I'll have to check and see what the other compatible models are, but good to go. I'm going to paint this mess, probably just brush it on because on mine, I don't know what's going on. The sliders, I can't get to the front bolts to remove it all the way, so I'll just scuff it and Rust-Oleum or something. I'm about to bolt the bracket on. I noticed when I pulled the bolts off, they had two washers, and if you note, those inserts, probably riv nuts or something, stick out, so you got to put the washer on. Well, one of these fits good. There we go. Put your bracket on, then washer and bolt. If you don't, your bracket's going to set against this riv nut and not the plastic and be kind of wobbly, or probably try to pull it out or mess it up somehow. So let's give it a go. There we go, got it on. I did the German torque, good and tight, or if I use the impact, I would have done like one ugga-dugga, because I don't want to pull these out or make them spin, or I don't know how they're attached. So let's slap it on. There we go, it's on. Stocks thing back in, crazy John Deere clip. Got the bolts in. I'm gonna leave those in case I need them later. Good place to store them, right? The pads contact up here somewhere, so I'm not worried about that. Bolts rubbing holes in them or something, so you can see. Masked it off, squirted some black on there, wire wheeled it real quick. I'll leave a link in the description for the seat. Pretty comfy. All right, enjoy.